So today we are going to talk about the multifactorial origin of a single disease. Let's take for example hypertension. Cases of hypertension are on the rise, especially in younger adults, 25, 30, 35 years of age. And the causes generally are multifactorial in these cases. We understand that a family history of hypertension or heart disease predisposes you to hypertension. But what causes you to get hypertension early? If you're not sleeping, all right, if your sleep pattern is disturbed, you could land up with hypertension. If you're not eating right and if you have indigestion, especially if you're constipated, there are several cases we find that constipation, increases your tendency for hypertension, or people who are constipated are more prone to get hypertension. And at the same time, even incidences of hypertension are on the rise in people who have allergic rhinitis, nose block has been linked to hypertension. But this is all when we are able to take a detailed history. This is what we do at the integrated wellness clinic. We take the history in a manner, a homeopathic history, what we call a constitutional history, why you are getting hypertension, what are your causes of hypertension, a detailed homeopathic history. I am the homeopathic consultant. We are used to taking a detailed homeopathic history, your past history, your family history, your generalities, mental history, physical, general, sleep, digestion, appetite, your likes and dislikes, and your family history of diseases, all this. Plus the internal medicine specialist, Dr. Ruby Bansal, will give you, specific mild antihypertensive, which in the beginning, if given properly along with the diet plan, Dr. Deepika Kohli will give you a proper diet plan, which will see to it that your constipation goes away and your hypertension, which is because of the constipation, will not come. So all these things. So all these things combined, when this kind of an integrated approach, you take treatment for hypertension, it is very likely that in the beginning or when the hypertension has just begun in 2-3 months, it is reversible and you can get back to your normal self and be without medication. So kindly contact us as soon as possible. We deal with hypertension in a multifactorial hypertension, in a multipathy way, and the results are very, very promising. Kindly contact us at the earliest. Jai Hind.